All right, guys. So we did pick up a new toy today. Been wanting this for quite some time now, and we picked up a Milwaukee cordless impact. As you guys know, we're going to start those brakes today. I'm gonna get started on them right now. I just got home from work. Gonna get some dinner in real quick and then get started. But let me see. I'm excited to use this tool. Been wanting this one for quite some time, so let's see the little unboxing. And yeah, the Civic is back there. The Project Civic is still back there. Got a few projects back there actually. I haven't really worked on them, but let's unbox this with one hand. Actually, it wasn't one hand, it was two hands. So let's take it out. So let's open it up. I am borrowing my cousin's battery and his socket just to get this going today. Test it out. But here she is, guys. Here she is in all her glory. And this is it. This is the impact, the new toy for us. Well, brand new in box. So it's a new toy to help us hopefully pick up some more work, some more business, be able to offer more services, which will be brakes, wheel seals, axle seals, or axle seals, resealing axles, doing all kinds of good stuff with the wheels, be able to take off wheels. So main part is the brakes and the wheel seals. So I'll be using this one in a little bit. I was just too excited to wait to open it, so decided to open as soon as I got here before I ate dinner. So I'll be right back with you guys in a few minutes, and then we'll get started on that brake job. All right, guys, here's an update. We did go ahead and take off the two back ones, the third axle tires, and the drums already. As you can tell, we did use our Milwaukee 1-inch impact. So far, so good. My brother brought something up important, or a fun fact, that it was on setting 1 and I was able to break the lug nuts no problem. So right now we will be removing these brakes. Have lamps out here and trying to light up the day or light up the night. So we do have to remove these and put the new ones on. Easy peasy. You guys already know the procedure on it. You let the truck build up air, chock the wheels, release the brakes, back out your slack adjusters all the way out, go reapply your brakes, jack it up. Then we go ahead and break the lug nuts, take off the tires, wheels. You bang the drums just to loosen them out, and then you start taking off the brakes. Then you reassemble the new ones. I'll show you guys what it comes with. But yeah, guys, this is it right here so far. Loving the Milwaukee, one of the greatest investments I've done in a while. So yeah. All right, guys, so this is what the kit comes with. It comes with 2 brake shoes, or one set of brake shoes, which is for 2 go on one end or one corner. Then it comes with these 2 cylinders, the little sleeves for the cylinders. And then it comes with the 2 small springs that go on the back side. And then it does come with the main one. For the main one, you do have to put this piece of metal, I guess this bar, that's where it will clamp onto, or will clip onto, or hang from. So then this one, the bigger cylinder, goes onto there. You can tell it has 2 of them right there. So it goes in there with the sleeve. The smaller one goes on this end, and it gets held on with this. Let me assemble them and show you guys. All right, guys, so I don't know what we were able to capture on the video. I do have you guys on a small tripod, but I don't know what I was able to get. So basically, I think I showed you guys how to assemble it. I'm not sure if you guys were able to see it, but we're done with the first corner. We're going to go ahead and start the next one. I'm just going to breeze through because it's getting kind of late and I'm tired. So I'll see what I show you guys, and sorry if I don't show you guys enough. All right, so we did get the second one done. So the third axle is completely done. We just need to adjust them. So far, so good with the gun. We were able to tighten everything back up. It didn't feel like it had lost any power, so that's good. We're about to start on the second axle right now, and that's all we're gonna do for tonight. Tomorrow night, we will continue the rest of them. I just wanted to see how long would it take if I completely concentrate on it to do it. So it is 8:58 right now. Let's see how long it takes me to remove tires, remove drums, remove brakes, replace them, put everything back together. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. Let me see if I put you on the tripod and put you guys somewhere so you guys could kind of see. All right, guys, so that's how long it took. I'm not sure what the original time was, but that's how long it took me to, that's how long it took to do the brakes. Went a little slow, but we got them done. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this segment of this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys on the front brakes.